up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I take out my soft locks. A lot of people really don't know how to take these out, and so I'm here to show y'all and inform y'all on a new way that I learned. Well, I didn't really learn this, I really thought of it myself. I don't know if this video is already out there like this, but I was literally just playing around with it, and I figured out a way to take it out without needing scissors, as well as not having to do the most. It's really simple. All you need is your hands. And so let me go ahead and show y'all. I already did like all of the back, and I did one of the front ones, a couple of the front ones already. So I'm about to basically do one in the front and show y'all how I do it. So what you want to do first is pull the hair that you wrapped around down. So I'm just going to start pulling it down, and you want to like turn it the opposite way it was turned to, because all I'm trying to do is find the braid. And once you get the braid, you really like found the needle in the thread. It's literally like finding a needle in the thread. And you get it, and you basically just like get it to where it's by itself and not wrapped up in the weave. This method really don't take that long either. That's what I like about this. Making sure it's not wrapped around anything. And then when you get it by itself, you want to make sure it's not knotted up or anything. Yeah. There we go. And I didn't mean knotted up. I just know with me, I like to crochet my lock through the braid. So after I braid my hair down, my real hair down, I get the crochet needle and I put this part, this is the tip of the lock, and I crochet that through the braid. But I undid the little loop just now. That's what I meant by taking the knot out. I just undid the little loop, so that's why this lock is hanging out here. I also crochet in the hair that I wrap around. I crochet that in the braid, and it's impossible to take this out until you take the braid loose. So that's what I'm about to do now. Start taking the braid loose. But yeah, this is really so simple, and it's not as time consuming as you would think. Cutting the lock, literally I'm done, but cutting the lock, it just scares me because I don't really know where my braid is stopping at under the hair that's wrapped around it. So this is just so much more simple, and it's really the most easiest and protective way to do it without trying to cut your hair. So I'm gonna do like a couple more for you guys so you can understand the full way I do it, and then that's really gonna be the end of this video. Just wanted to inform you guys and show folks how I take out my soft locks. So another cool thing about this method is you're able to recycle the hair. That's what I did to these. This is an old hair. I previously used this hair before I put them in on this style. So this is another thing I like about this method, because you get to reuse the dreadlocks. You don't have to go to the hair store and buy any more. You can just use these all over again. Because y'all know this lock hair costs a lot of money. Like a whole pack of locks literally will cost you like $16-$20, especially if they're long. So I really recommend y'all try this hack. It saves you money, it saves you time, it saves you effort. You don't have to use no scissors, and overall it's just easy to me. All you gotta do is find that braid, and once you find that braid, you just go up with it and it's over from there. If you want other videos, don't forget to comment down below what y'all want me to show y'all.